In this video, I'll be discussing question set number 32, and this question set is also based on the previous question scenario that I spoke about in the previous video. And as the first question of this question set, I've been told to create a table and name it product. So first what I need to do is go to MySQL Workbench and then add a new table here. After that, I need to rename this table to product. Next, what I need to do is I need to add these three columns into the table. So the first column will be product ID. I need to give the data type int and leave this column as primary key and auto increment. Next I need to create the product name column, and after that the description column. Over here I've been told to leave text as the data type for the description column and set the length to 100. So I need to rename this. I need to select text. So that will be it for the product table. And next, in the second question, I've been told to create another table and name it brand. So again I need to go here and then create a new table and rename it to brand. And after that I need to add these two columns into the table. The first will be brand ID and the second will be brand name. After that I need to leave this column as auto increment, and next I need to create the brand name column and leave the data type as voucher along with the length 45, and that will be it for the brand table. And in the third question I've been told to create a table and rename it to GRN. So again I need to create a table first and then type GRN. Next I need to add these two columns into the table. The first column will be GRN ID and the second will be GRN date, and I need to set these data types for each column. I need to set this column to auto increment as well. So that will be it for the GRN table. Next I need to create the GRN item table. So again I need to go here and then create a new table. Next I need to add these three columns into the table. The first column will be quantity, the second will be unit price and selling price. The second column will be unit price, and I need to set this data type to double. The third column will be selling price. Again I need to set this data type to double, and since I've not been told to add a primary key for this table, I need to get rid of the primary key from the quantity column, and that will be it for the GRN item table. And next I need to create the stock table. So again I need to first create a new table here and then rename this to stock. And after that I need to add these three columns into that table. The first will be the stock ID column, the second will be the quantity column, and the third will be the selling price column. So first I need to type stock ID and then give this column auto increment. After that I need to create the quantity column, and I'll give this the int data type. And after that I need to type selling price here, and change this data type to double, and that will be it for the stock table. In the next question I've been told to create a table and name it invoice. So again I need to go to workbench and then create a new table and rename this to invoice. And after that I need to add these two columns into the table. The first column is invoice ID and the second column is date. So I need to first create the invoice ID column, and now I need to set this column to auto increment. Next I need to create the date column and set this data type to date time. And that will be it for the invoice table. Next, in the final question I've been told to create a table and rename it to invoice item. So again I need to go here and create another new table, then rename this to invoice item. And after that I need to add these two columns. The first one will be invoice item ID and the second will be quantity. I need to give this column auto increment. I need to set this data type to int, and that will be it for the invoice item table. So in this question set, that's all I've been told to do, and that's all for now.